Hello, my name is Bridget Fisher. I am the epidemiologist with Defiance County Health Department, here to share with you how to navigate a data dashboard on our website. So for this example, I will be walking through the senior fall data dashboard, and each one of the dashboards have a very similar layout. So the first page is looking at the previous year's data that is available. And underneath the data, there are buttons in navy blue. And if you would click on these, it will take you to a new page. So for an example, on this very first one, if I would click it, it would take me to emergency department data. If I click on EMS, we will be viewing EMS data. If I click on death data, it will bring us to the death data page. On the bottom right-hand corner of each page has the data notes. So if you have questions as far as how that data was collected, where it was collected, maybe questions on time periods it was collected, click on the icon and it will take you to the data notes page to go further into how that data was collected and details. If you go up to the right-hand corner, there's back to previous page, and that will take you to the page you were previously to. If you want to navigate to the next page, at the very bottom in the middle of the page is a 1 out of 5 pages. You can click the arrow to navigate to the next page, or if you just click on the 1 of 5, it will bring up a navigation bar and you can click on whichever page you would like to. So we will move on to the next page, which is the quarterly falls report. This page will be updated on a quarterly basis. This is looking at the most recent data that was collected during the previous quarter. This is not in an interactive page, but does give a good overview of what is happening related to that data on that dashboard page. The next page is looking at emergency department visits. This page will be updated on a quarterly basis as well. So you can look at this data just as it is, or if you go to the left-hand side of the page, you're able to customize the data. So if you just want to look at data from 2023, go ahead and click on the square and it will adjust the data. If you want to look at just females, you can do so through that filter bar. If you hit Control, and then, for example, if you want to look at 2022 data and 2023, if you hit Control, and you're able to select more than one at a time. Once again, if you have any questions on how that data was collected, feel free to click on the icon in the bottom right-hand corner to look at data notes. The next page is looking at EMS runs. Most likely, this page will be updated on a yearly basis. This page is not interactive, but does give some summary data as far as EMS runs related to falls. And the last page of this data dashboard is looking at senior fall deaths, looking at trends, males, females, and looking at different age groups. This page is also not interactive, but gives a general idea of who's being impacted the most as far as deaths. So that is it for this brief demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to outreach to myself, Bridget Fisher at Defiance County Health Department, either through a phone call or email at bfisher@defiancecohealth.org.